Iglesia ni Cristo's anti-corruption rally at Quirino Grandstand ended in drama as Senator Amy Marcos made explosive allegations against President Bongbong Marcos and the First Lady. Here's the report.
The Iglesia ni Cristo ended their anti-corruption rally at the Quirino Grandstand on Monday night. This was confirmed by INC spokesperson Edwil Zabala. The protest sought accountability from officials allegedly involved in corruption. During a surprise appearance, Senator Amy Marcos accused her brother, President Bongbong Marcos, and First Lady Liza Araneta Marcos of using illegal drugs.
Nakakalaman kami ni Bongbong. Alam na ng buong pamilya ang problema sa kanya. Batid ko na nagda-drug siya. Ang laki ng pagkakamali ito. Mas lumala ang kanyang paglulong sa droga. Parehas pa na silang mag-asawa.
Senator Amy also urged her younger brother to stop and expressed concern for his health.
Bongbong, nag-aalala sa'yo si Manang. Tuwing nakikita kita sa TV, gusto kitang puntahan. Napakalaki ng pinagbago mo. Itsura, pagsasalita, takbo ng pag-isip. Minsan, napapatalong ako sa sarili ko. Ikaw pa ba yan? Si Bongbong ba talaga yung nakikita ko? Pero ako, aling ko, ako pa rin ito.
She further claimed that the presidential children have started to use drugs.
Pinasusuklaman ko pa ang pag-alok ng mag-inang si Sandro ng droga ang aking mga anak at iba pang mga kamag-anak. Yan ang hindi ko na mapapalampas.
Meanwhile, Palace Press Officer Undersecretary Attorney Claire Castro dismissed the allegations as acts of desperation.
This is definitely a desperate move. Ang pinag-uusapan sa peaceful rally ay patungkol sa di umanong korupsyon. Ano ang dahilan ni Senator Amy para ang sarili niyang kapatid ay siraan niya?
Castro noted that the president underwent drug testing before his campaign in the 2022 elections, which yielded a negative result. She also questioned Senator Amy's motives, saying the remarks seemed intended to discredit both the president and the First Lady.
Anong klaseng kapatid si Senator Amy? Anong klaseng Pilipino si Senator Amy?
For his part, Davao City Representative Pulong Duterte renewed his call for all government officials to undergo drug testing. He emphasized that the resistance to drug testing only fuels suspicion.